Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to make text move with style? I'll walk you through kinetic typography in Canva. Click Create, then select Video. Choose the landscape video format for better viewing. This orientation is ideal for most screens and platforms, ensuring your content displays correctly and professionally every time. Add a heading by selecting the text tool. Type genetic as the heading. Then, duplicate this text by copying and pasting or using the duplicate command in your editor. Type PEC in the text box. Next, duplicate this text by selecting it and copying it. Then, add a blank page to your document. This allows you to place the duplicated text on the new page, maintaining consistency in your design or content layout. First, drag the object to this position. Next, move it over to this spot. This completes the placement step, ensuring the item is correctly positioned as needed for the next action. Add another item by clicking the Add button, then fill in the necessary details in the form provided. First, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the selected object. Next, move the copied text to the desired position on the new page. Then, add another page to your document. On this new page, rotate the text as needed to achieve the correct orientation. Repeat the rotation process until the text is aligned exactly how you want. This method lets you quickly duplicate and adjust text across multiple pages for a consistent layout. Rotate the first object 90 degrees clockwise. Next, select the second object and rotate it 180 degrees counterclockwise. Ensure both rotations are precise by entering the angle values manually. Use the rotation tool to control the direction and degrees accurately. Confirm the rotation for each object before moving on. This method guarantees exact positioning in your design. Rotate the first object 90 degrees and the second minus 180 degrees for the desired arrangement. Set the mode to normal. Next, add a transition and select matching mode. Then, decrease the duration to 0.1 seconds. Finally, click Apply to All to apply the transition between all clips. This will create a smooth effect throughout your video with a consistent, quick transition. To play the animation, click Preview. This lets you see how your animation will appear in real time. If needed, adjust the timing by selecting all the transition slides. Fine-tune the duration and delay settings to make the animation flow smoothly. This ensures each movement matches your desired pacing. Review the transitions carefully and make any necessary changes to improve the overall effect. Once satisfied, your animation is ready for use. This process helps you create polished, professional presentations with seamless transitions. First, hide the element, then reduce its duration to exactly 2.2 seconds. Draw a circle here, then another. This completes the design, showing you the final result clearly and accurately. Click the Share button, then select Download. Before downloading, increase the video quality by choosing the desired resolution. This ensures you save the highest quality version. Adjust the settings as needed, then confirm to start your download. This process helps you get the best video quality for your files quickly and easily. Now you know how to create kinetic typography in Canva and subscribe for more cool design tips.